The Ferrari KC23 is not just a car, it's a vision turned into metal, power, and luxury. A one-off masterpiece created by Ferrari's Special Projects division, the KC23 is based on the Ferrari 488 GT3 Evo 2020 platform. It represents a radical fusion of track performance and futuristic design, built for a private collector who wanted something entirely unique. And what a creation it is. The exterior design is breathtaking. At first glance, the KC23 looks like a concept car brought to life, but every line and surface is meticulously engineered. The body is sculpted in a fluid, seamless shape with a futuristic metallic gold finish that changes tone with lighting. What really sets it apart is its disappearing aerodynamic components. The active air intakes on the side panels remain flush, with the body when stationary and deploy only when the car is moving, enhancing both its aesthetic and aerodynamic efficiency. The front sports an aggressive fascia with sleek LED lighting, while the rear is dominated by a massive retractable wing, a wraparound LED strip, and a diffuser worthy of a full-blown race car. The KC23 rides on specially designed, motorsport-inspired wheels that complete its track-focused stance, giving it a presence that's more spacecraft than street car. Inside, the KC23 is purpose-built, but stunning. The cabin takes clear inspiration from the 488 GT3 Evo, but introduces exclusive materials and custom touches that elevate it into the realm of art. There's extensive use of Alcantara and carbon fiber, giving the interior a premium yet performance-driven atmosphere. The racing seats are snug, with contrast stitching that matches the car's exterior theme. The dashboard is minimal, featuring digital displays and a stripped back layout to reduce distractions. This car was made for driving, not lounging. The steering wheel is a blend of Formula One and GT design, packed with functional controls and a digital readout in the center. While the KC23 is not built for long road trips, its interior leaves no doubt that it is a machine of passion, speed, and exclusivity. When it comes to performance, the KC23 is powered by the same 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine found in the 488 GT3 Evo. While Ferrari hasn't released the official output figures for the KC23, we can expect around 600 to 700 horsepower, given its racing DNA. The car features a rear-wheel drive layout and race-grade suspension, promising razor-sharp handling and massive grip. Unlike its GT3 counterpart, which is governed by race regulations, the KC23 benefits from greater engineering freedom, meaning it likely delivers even more aggressive acceleration and a higher top speed. It's not road legal and is designed purely for private track use, giving Ferrari's engineers room to push the boundaries of performance. As for price, Ferrari hasn't revealed exact numbers. However, since the KC23 is a one-off custom build commissioned by a private client, estimates range anywhere from $4 million to $6 million or more, and that doesn't even factor in the bespoke engineering hours, design iterations, and the sheer exclusivity of owning a car that no one else on Earth will ever drive. The Ferrari KC23 isn't just a car, it's a rolling sculpture, a tribute to speed, design, and innovation. For the few who can afford such creations, it represents the pinnacle of automotive art and personal expression.